Here's Sprout app, previously Prep AI, where you can land your dream job. This is one of the new AI apps where you can literally apply to a lot of jobs literally in seconds. Yeah, it's using AI, so it's not just like some spamming your CV to like 100 jobs. No, it adjusts every CV and every cover letter using AI. So actually getting quite okay quality applications to hundreds of jobs instantly. So here's, for example, you have it like that. You have your profile. You need to create your profile, and basically you also need to upgrade. Also, if you invite friends, you will get 5 free credits. So here, by the way, feel free to use my code, so I can get 5 credits for every 3 friends, and I think you can also get it. So feel free to use my code in here. I don't know why it's a bit stuck. Okay, fully redeemed. So now I have, you can redeem it again. Then you can redeem it again. And let's just see. So again, feel free to use my code. And then you can see that now I have 5 credits. I don't know why it's only 5 credits, but anyhow, so it's a bit glitchy. But then how it works, as you can see here, I showed you I didn't upgrade. I just shared my code on YouTube. I'm getting free applications. And then you just select filters as any other job you would have, and then you can just select, and then you just swipe like that, and then you apply to this. Swipe again, and then as you can see in top left, your credits are used. You can also flag it. You can see how many credits. Of course, there are all the filters. The thing is, to start using that, you need to upload your resume and upload your cover letter once. So just go here to resume, upload it, upload any additional documents, AI generated resume, AI cover letter, automatically customize your cover letter, and you can also set up to require manual approval. You can also automatically customize a resume, condense resume info, and then you can also create preview of your resume. But you can always require manual approval. The thing is, this app automatically customizes your resume for each job application using AI. So by using this app, you're actually saving hours and days of work and getting quite good results. However, obviously you need to know that this is not perfect. If you're literally applying to your dream job, obviously probably you need to do your resume and cover letter manually, because that's the way to get the highest quality. But if you literally want any job and you literally want to send like 1,000 applications with okay medium quality resume, then this is the best way to do it right now, literally on the internet. One of the best apps to do it. So you literally just swiping around, laying on your sofa, and you send in like quite okay-ish customized resumes to hundreds of companies. Instead of instead of going to some website and clicking the buttons and doing it manually, this app just fills everything for you. It's a bit glitchy sometimes. There's also Sprout Wrapped, but yeah, that's just what you have in here. How you can just apply again. And that's what you're having. That's how you see this kind of stuff. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And yeah, that's just what you're having. So that's what it is.